Today's video I will tell you about shorthand if else. Okay, if we had read about if else in Python and we had used it a lot, but today I will tell you one much shortcut method, and I will tell you one linear which help you to write expressions quickly. Okay, and will make a program, make your life very easy Python programming wise. Well, let's go to the computer screen and now let's get started.
तो चले जानते हैं हम लोग शॉर्ट एंड इफ एल्स स्टेटमेंट होते क्या है. इफ एल्स इन वन लाइन. देयर इज आल्सो शॉर्ट एंड सिंटैक्स फॉर द if else statement that can be used when the condition begin tested in a simple and the code block to be executed are short. Here's an example. Like here I will be telling you, like I run this example. So like see a and 9, and like here I will write like 3, and here we see it. And now like I will be copying this example and paste it, and like I will be run it. So B, and B should be 330, and here we see it is very easy. And B and then B, and here I will be writing like A should be 2. Here you can see it is very easy. And D should be and A, here I will be writing like this, will giving the error because the A should be and one is small. Here A should be 2. It will give like that. And like B I will be like that, and 330 it is giving easier. Like I will be writing like C. And here I will be writing like C should be 220, and here I will be writing like copy it and paste and paste, and like A B, and like here I will be writing like D, A B C D E F G and G, and here I will be writing like H I J, and like I will be writing like 2, 25, 30, 40, 50, 10, 60, 90, 80. And here I will be writing like that, and now I will run it. I will be writing like C 225. I will give like D, and here I will give like E, here I will give like F, and here I will give like J. So it is very simple if else, and you can also have multiple else statement on the same line. Example, one line if else statement with 3 conditions. Like I will copy it 3 conditions. Like I will run it, and here I will be equals to, and equals to will be A 330, B 330. It is very simple, okay, and it is very simple. Another example here, you will be copying the syntax is written to the following if else statement and calculation. Okay, the shorthand syntax can be convenient way to write simple if else statement, especially when you want to assign a value to a variable based on condition. However, it is not suitable for more complex situation where you need to execute multiple statements or perform more complex logic. In those cases, it best to use the full if else syntax. Okay, so conclusion, and I hope you will understand it. What are if else in one line, and I will tell you another time what are. There is also shorthand syntax for the if else statement that can be used when the condition begin tested in simple and the code block to be executed are short. Here's an example. You will be copied and pasted, and I will give you in the description. Okay, you will be copied and pasted. Okay, so I hope you will be understand what are if else statement. Okay, so I hope you will be understand it. And like here I will be go here what this, and here I will be write like you have unshifted. Okay, so I hope you will be understand it, and here I will be write like go here, and here I will be tell you, and I hope you will be understand this class, and you will not access my Python playlist. So access my playlist, like you will be go here and you will be search like code with PK and enter press, and you will be come here and playlist and access my Python playlist also and bookmark it, and also okay, and please like that video also, and my my 40 video will complete it easily. Yes, okay. So you will be understanding what are what are if else one statement. Okay, so I hope you can shorthand if else statement. I hope you will be understand this class and you will be enjoy this class. So please like that video, share your friends and subscribe to my channel, bookmark my playlist and like my video and subscribe to my channel and all the notification bell also. So I'll meet you next class and next very amazing class. And you will not follow me on my Facebook page, so go and follow. And you will not follow me on my Twitter, so go and follow. And you will not follow me on my Instagram, so go and follow. So I'll meet you next class and next very amazing class. So for today, goodbye.
Te preocupação, ele te bota, saca, 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 sem nem ter preocupação, ele te